Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a content link locker with CPAGRIP. Once you register with CPAGRIP, come up to monetization tools, then click on URL file locker. Once you do that, you create one. So we need to create one. Continue. Name this. In this case, I'm just going to name example. I'm going to download one of these files. So let's just go and download that. Okay, so I'll just name that, so at least I know the leads are coming from that, and I'm just going to add that. Now complete the survey below to continue. We're going to leave it as it is. Now we need to put the download link. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to just go and download this particular file. So click on download. As I'm going to share this particular file, but you can share anything you want. It could be a template, it could be a games, it could be anything you want to. Then once that is done, but for this demonstration, basically I'm just going to tell you, how you do with that. So I got another file sharing website. I use Mediafire myself. Okay, so Mediafire, and I'm showing you step by step how to do that anyway. Now we need a blogger. So I'm gonna go and type in free blogger. This one is okay. So far we're gonna click on a new post in a blogger because we need to post something, and we're gonna go and copy the entire basically PDF that we're gonna share. So let's just copy the title. I'm gonna add that to my blogger. And then we need a bit of description as well, just like that. Okay, and then we need the download links, which is going to type download this PDF file for free. Okay, that's all we need to do. So let's just make it this as a bold, which means a bit more kind of like in a black to show that user can see it much clearly, basically, and click on download. So we've done that so far. We also save this PDF files in here. Now we need to upload this to a new server. In this case, we can use the file, hosting that is with Mediafire. So let's just upload this PDF first. Okay. Once that is done, we need to click on copy the link. So go to the blogger. Just highlight this basically. Download this file, this PDF file for free, and then click on link. We need to do that, and I'm going to click on OK. So this is linked now so far. You can also upload the image if you want to upload it. If you want to, it'll be better anyway to upload the image. So let's just click on resize. All right, that's the image. Okay. Or let me just go and find one image on the internet. Okay, just like that, because we need to upload that, so we will be uploading. In this case, I'm just going to click on save on the desktop, come up to the blogger, and then just upload the image. So that's the image. All right, I accept. You can put this in the left hand side, right hand side if you want to, as you wish yourself, and then just click on publish. So now once we view the post, we need to see what we've done. So basically we got the title, we got description, we got the image on the right hand side to show the what type of ebook they're going to download, and then we got the download file as well. But let's just finish it with the CPAGRIP because we haven't done that yet. So we need from Mediafire to go and paste that URL to CPAGRIP, which means once the user complete one free survey, they're going to go directly to this link to download the file. All right. So style, we're going to choose more survey to show. We want up to 6 surveys to show up. And you got the advanced option, you got template. You can choose what type of template you want. Example, if I click, let's just say one of this, is going to show up template like that. If we click that, then another template will come up. Basically, you can choose your template, the template you want to. Once you're happy with that, just click on create, and that is going to be created. So just click on get a link. All right, so copy. We actually need on the blogger to go and edit the post because I made a mistake, because that media file, they need to use it to complete the survey to go there. So we're just going to remove that unlink, and then I'm just going to select all, and I'm going to link the text with CPAGRIP content logger. Okay, I'm going to click on update. Now let's go and view again. All right, so leave the page has been reloaded. And then once users they click, they want to download this particular PDF. Once they click, a survey will come up, which it says basically this is kind of like a demo file with numbers, which normally comes sometime. On the right hand side, they are all the options basically to tell user how to complete the one survey. And what this particular template has got is even comments that some people they have left this sort of. That they say that, thanks for the file, and many of them they say the file is great and all that, information. So once you they click on begin download, the survey come up, exactly 6 of them which I have chosen from beginning. They need to complete it. Once they complete, they'll be directed to the link on a media file to download this particular PDF file. And that's how you link a CPAGRIP with link locking, so user basically can click on link and make money online. Now, when you are to the blogger like this, don't use only CPAGRIP. You can use CPAGRIP, you can use Adsense, you can use many more, and is allowed in Adsense as well. So, I mean, I had a question saying, that can you use content locker plus or link locker, sorry, and plus Adsense and other, networks? Yes, you can use. With that's no problem, you can use. But with the link locker, I like it more, because if users don't download or don't complete the survey, at least they can click on ads, other network ads, and then I can still make money online from that. So that's it for that. Please subscribe, because I'll be creating more videos to help you basically to solve many more problems. Also, if you got a question, drop a question below this video, and then I'll reply that if I can in text, and if I have to explain more in details, then basically I'd rather create a video and show you how to do whatever, or reply to your question. Thanks again for watching this video.